guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to cut a trendy kaftan. It's also called a United States beach dress. In Brazil, they call it Praia Boho. So, I'm using 2 yards of this fabric. It's a chiffon fabric, so I'm using 2 yards. So I'm going to fold this into 4. Now this is into 2 already. As you can see, this is into 2, so I'm going to fold it into 4 now. So now this is into 4. You can see this particular place is not as long as here. This is into 2 over here. Then this place is into 4. I'm folding this place as into 4 with 10 inches. With 10 inches. This side will be 10 because this side is bigger than this other side. So you can see I'm folding this with 10 inches here. So and this particular, the whole of this is 29 inches. So the next thing I'm going to start with the shoulder. The shoulder here I'm using 7 for the shoulder. The shoulder here I'm using 7. For my shoulder here 7. This 7. So from this 7 I'm going to take my full measurement, my full length. The full length here is 55. And so this is 55. So from here, the next thing I'm going to do is to measure from up here to the knee length. My knee length here I'm using 33. 33 from here. I'm using 33, so I'm going to sketch it up here. 33 to here. And see, this is my 33. This is my knee length. So I'm going to measure my armhole. My armhole here is also 7. 7. I'm going to sketch it here up to the widest of the material here. So this is the armhole and this is the knee length. So from here now, this is the armhole like this. So I'm going to start from this armhole here. I'll slant it to the knee side here. I'll slant it like this. So I'm going to sketch it so you will see. You can see from this edge. So you see it when I cut it out. You see the main picture. So then from here again, I'm going to measure up to here is I'll measure 10 inches here too. So from here, from this edge here, I'll make a slant also. Like this. So then let me cut it so that you see the picture very well. So let me start from there. I'm coming to cut that place. So I'm starting from here. You can see to the knee. So from the knee to the length here. So you can see the shape. This is how it's going to be. So here I'm going to divide this place into two. This particular place I'm dividing it into two. So you can see this is into two. I'm going to trim the length. This is where I notched. I'm going to trim it like this. So now, before I open it, I'm going to cut out the neck. So the neck here, the wideness of the neck here will be 3. I'm using 3 for the wideness. This is 3. And for the deepness, I'm using 3 as well. You can use any measurement of your choice. Then I'm going to make a round sketch. Then I can now cut it out for you to see. Like this, as you can see. So before I cut out this shoulder, I'm going to before I cut out the shoulder, let me cut the first one. So I'm not going to cut the second one yet. So this, I'm cutting out one shoulder here. It will be the back. I'm not, so I'm going to open it for you to see before I cut the other arm. So you can see the other side here, and this particular side is a straight line because of the material. So I'm going to retrace it to make it a straight line. I'm going to recut it. So I'm going to trim it out. And it will be a straight cutting over here. So you can see. You can see the other side, its edge. You can see this side is a straight line. So that's how you're going to sew it. This particular side is just straight sewing, and that one you curve it. And this is that part. So as you can see in the picture, this particular side, I've not cut this armhole. Let me cut it out for you to see. So as I was saying, in the picture, one side is with shoulder and the other side is an up shoulder. So I'm going to cut out the up shoulder now. This side is with shoulder. and it has a sleeve, and this other side is an up shoulder. So I'm going to cut out the shoulder now. If I put my tape here, it's 6.2. If I put my tape here too, it's as 6.2. So here is it. Let me cut the very well. So this is it. They are equal now. Before I open it, as soon as I cut it together, I will have been cutting it one by one like this. So if you are doing your own, you can cut the armhole together before you open it. So from here now, I'm going to measure. I'm beginning the shoulder with 3.5 inches. Okay, let me make it 4 inches. So this particular place is an up shoulder. So this 4 inches down here, I'm cutting it out like this. Start from here and cut out. So this place is with shoulder, and this other one is up shoulder. So you're going to join your armhole here, and this one you're going to join the sleeve here. The sleeve here, also the sleeve here, also. So I'm done with the. Oh, you see the picture very well. If you are sewing it, this is how you're going to sew it. No, it has sleeve here. It also has a sleeve here. So you're going to start the stitching from here, like this, then down to that place. Then you come here too, you stitch it here. The shoulder, you stitch the shoulder up here. Then you fix your sleeve. You fix your sleeve over here too. So let me cut out the sleeve for you. So these are the two sleeves I'm fixing. This one is for the up shoulder. You can see it's quite different from this one. You can see. If you want to know the way I cut the two sleeves, you can visit my channel. You can visit my tutorial based on how to cut a sleeve and an up shoulder sleeve also. So now this one is for this particular one with shoulder, and this other one is for this with off shoulder. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.